Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW M2 competition in Long Beach Blue. Now this vehicle does have 405 horsepower and does 0 to 60 in and around 4.2 seconds. Now it does come with 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in black and silver. Now just behind that we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers, and we also have drilled brake discs. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the genuine carbon front Kinigos with the M2 badge just on the front there as well. Now this vehicle does come with a fair bit of carbon fibre on it, so as well as the front Kinigos on the wings where the M2 logo is, you do have the carbon fibre. You also have the carbon fibre side skirt extensions just down there, carbon fibre rear boot spoiler, and also a carbon fibre rear diffuser. Now there's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now with this vehicle you do get quad X exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We have front and rear parking sensors. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially in that Long Beach Blue. Now we do also have the black window trim all around this vehicle. There's a look at another alloy wheel, and you can see the carbon fibre side skirt extension just there as well. Now going inside the vehicle, you can see we do have full leather throughout, and we do have the suede accents on the side of the driver's seat there as well. Now looking into the back, you can see again we do have full leather throughout. We do have the storage tray just in the centre with ISOFIX points. You also have the blue stitching with the M emblem just up there as well. Now on either side we do have the suede accents just there as well, and on the seat belts you do have the M Performance stitching. There's a better look at the driver's front seat with the M2 plaque just up there, blue stitching, and you also have the blue accents there as well. Now on the doors you can find the carbon fibre electric windows, suede with the blue stitching. You also have the integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which is one of the optional extras on this car, and it does have over £1,000 worth of options. Now jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Jumping in fully, foot on the brake, you do also have keyless start. You have the M2 competition just there. So foot on the brake, press keyless start. You do have the red button just there. Now you do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limit just there. You also have M modes just there, which you can set to your preferences. So on M1 you can have the engine on efficiency and the steering on comfort, or M2 you can have it on Sports Plus to turn traction control off. It's entirely up to your preferences. Now you do have the paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode just there as well. Now as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, which is always something that you look out for. You also have your auto wipers just over there as well. Now as you can see, you do have the speed limit display and also digital speedo just there. Now on the centre we do have the satellite navigation screen. Now it is a touch screen as well, but you can also use the dial just down here. Now you can find your satellite navigation as well as your media connectivity. Now on the media you can find your DAB radio. Scroll across, you can find USB, Bluetooth audio, CD, DVD, music collection, online entertainment, AM, and also FM. Now you can also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Navigation. Now if I pop it into reverse, you can find your rear, front and rear parking sensors. Now this vehicle has done just under 19,000 miles, and again is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now coming down here you can find your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon, so for those hot summer days it really does make all the difference. You also have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter days, again that really does make all the difference. Now as you can see on the dashboard we do have the dry carbon fibre trim next to the brushed metal, which is a very nice addition to have on this vehicle. Coming down here you do have your storage tray with 2 nice sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity. Here you can find your gear stick. You can also put the gearbox into different modes where you can have 1, 2 or 3. Traction control on and off, and also your drive modes. So if I go to the screen you can find Sports Plus, Efficient and Sport for your engine. And then for your steering, again, you have Sports Plus, Comfort, and also Sport. Now, again, the dry carbon fibre in the interior of this vehicle is a very nice addition to have. You have your suede boot around your gear stick with the blue stitching. push forwards and back, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat, again with the suede accents, with the blue stitching and the M2 plaque just up there. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M2 competition. Now, the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now, as you can see, I'm 95 with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so it's straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now, we do have a multi-function steering wheel with 2 different M modes, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Now, to activate the cruise control, simply just press the dial, press the button, and then use the dial to push up or down and get us to the nearest miles an hour. Push up into a feel bit of a click, and it'll just to the nearest 5, or push up very slightly, it'll just to the nearest 1 miles an hour. Now, the 2 different M modes, now you can put these to your different settings on the iDrive system. So on M1, you can have it so your efficiency driving, so you've got your higher MPG, or you can put it onto M2, you can have it so your more aggressive driving, or your Sports Plus or Sport. Now, you do also have a paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So currently I'm in 5th, we're going to drop it down to 4th, 3rd, 2nd, up to 3rd, up to 4th, into 5th, and then we'll let the car take back over by simply pushing the gear stick to the right, and it goes back into D. Now, we do have a digital dash in front of me, so you can have the road sign analysis, so it tells you what speed limit the road is on, the road that you're on is, and it also gives you a digital display of what speed you're doing. We have the integrated Harman speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. All around the interior of this vehicle, you do have the tri-carbon fibre and the suede trim, and it's a very nice addition to have. Now, the screen in the centre is touchscreen, and you can also find your Bluetooth video, Bluetooth audio connectivity. You also have DAB radio as well as FM and AM. You also have the satellite navigation screen. And once you pop it into reverse, you do have a virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors. Now, the 2 front seats are also heated as well. All the seats in the interior are leather with suede accents. The 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all the difference. Now, the interior of this car is very comfortable, and you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. So right now, I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, and just show you the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard on seat brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors just on the screen there as well. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now, if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and what on video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this Water on Video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.